Hey guys, it's me again. It's another fitness fails video, so smash that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below, and let's watch some videos. Home DIY bench press, I was gonna say that. That was not very smart because that chair is made of plastic and he's carrying lots of weights and then he's gonna do bench press on it. Come on, there's a very high chance of it breaking, alright? I knew it. The girl just laughed at him, man. I would too. You know what? I'll actually maybe check on him. Are you okay, sir? Maybe not. I'll be laughing so hard I might be falling over too. When you're on a treadmill, just focus on one task, and that's running. It's just a little bit dangerous when you're multitasking. I saw that coming. Okay, that actually hurt. I can't look at these things, man. These things hurt. Maybe because I do lift weights, and if that happens to me, I'll probably cry.
$20. You bet you 20 bucks.
$20 to bench press. I won't do that. I'm not gonna break myself. Do you see that? Okay. Fart jokes aren't that funny to me. The only reason that it's funny is because his friends were laughing. Is it just me? I don't find it that funny other than the friends that made me laugh. Ow! Owie! Let's watch it again. Poor friend, they're just trying to help him out. Let's rewind right at the spot. This is good.
Beefcake, show me your one-arm push-up there. Rough stuff. Oh, that was awesome.
Okay, was that fake though? You would know whether you can do a one-arm push-up or not, right? That just felt like, I don't know, let's watch it again.
That was awesome.
It just felt like it was scripted, like it was not real.
Maybe he wanted to feel like a dog on a leash.
I'm actually sincerely curious whether you guys have seen anyone doing these sort of exercises, because we've seen a lot of exercises like this so far. What is that about? This guy's gonna hurt his neck, man. Don't do this. Damn. Spider-Man. That's whatever Spider-Man does. I want to be his friend. He will make my every gym session so much more entertaining. Is it gonna snap? Ow! This fitness fails too painful. That's the reason why I don't really like rubber elastic bands. Like rubber elastic bands can be scary. Okay, that's pretty funny. I like the plate lava the most. It's funny when people do raps, like little raps like this. Do your raps, guys. Do it in the full range of motion. Is something gonna snap again? Please. Ah! Oh, okay, this is not too bad. It looked like it's hit. Where did it hit him? In his chest. That's not too bad. Yeah, okay. Okay, all these elastic bands fails is the reason why I don't try to use the rubber type. Normal people in the gym. Is that a dramatic guy coming in? I knew it. I've actually seen a lot of those people in the gym back in the days. I actually really like the green one. Oh my god, he's so dramatic. Imagine being strong enough to do that. That's pretty cool. No, not cool, guys. I did not say that. Do not do that. There's a green plate, gray one, and a red one. That's a lot of weight. Am I blind? Because that's really heavy. The red one is 25 kilos. Green is 10. Holy shit, this guy is strong.
If you've seen somebody leg pressing like this, would you go up and help them or just let them do their thing? Not trying to spread hate or anything, but that's like 1,050 pounds, and just look at his knees.
Okay, I see what his point was, but ow! Okay, that's really scary. I just rewatched it. Yeah, it looks like he's gonna break his knees. I used to leg press really heavy. When it's super heavy, sometimes you feel the need to lock out, but you can't do that because that's when there's a very, very high chance of injuring your knees. I'm just worried for his head, man. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's just so close. Dude, you don't want your head anywhere near those weights. Just imagine if it swing a little bit to one side. Like that's just so scary. Scary. Walking into Planet Fitness for the first time. This is wild. I love these people actually. You see, I've never been to Planet Fitness, so I have no idea if that's the case in the United States, that in Planet Fitness you just get a lot of weird stuff going on. But yeah, I can't relate to that just because I've never been.
Oh!
Ow! Why would you do that, man? That's just so unsafe. What makes he think that this is a great idea? First of all, the bench is not firm. Like, it's gonna slip, alright? This guy is out of his mind. Just wild. This person is crazy. Puppy! Oh! It's a strong doggy! That's over 15 pounds. He's so strong. What a strong boy. He's so happy. Look at him. He's so proud of himself. Strong boy. Oh, that's so cute. I want a doggy. Ah! Okay, I did not see that coming. Lock that bench, dude. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen? DIY weights gone wrong. Damn, the laptop. She got water on her laptop now. That actually feels so bad. Oh, this guy is multitasking, yo. Working his core, his arms, his head, his neck, his legs, his glutes. I'm low-key really impressed. There's a high chance that he could injure himself, but I don't think he's using really heavy weights, so hopefully he did not hurt himself. But yeah, don't do this, man. It's just not safe. Uh-oh. So he's gonna fall. Nothing happened? Okay, this is fitness fail gone right. This actually looks like it's gonna work your core, but don't do this, man. This is not safe. Okay, that's really heavy. Look at his legs! He actually got skinny legs, but he's able to do this? He's not squatting. I'm actually so terrified right now. Or can't he just use lighter weights and go down low? I don't know what to say about this. He's got really good upper body definition, so that looks so scary. I feel like today's fitness fails video just freaked me out too much. Okay, that's it for today's video. Today's gym fails looks too painful. They all look like they really hurt. I don't know, because I can see that happening, and just don't do this in the gym. Alright, just be careful, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I did enjoy it with lots of pain, but it's okay. Please like the video, leave me comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!